welcome back to another brand new tutorial. In this tutorial we will see about how we can arrange a 2BHK house plan, that is simple house plan in 1000 square feet area. In this plan we have taken the dimension as 25 feet and widthwise dimension as 40 feet. So let's see what we have incorporated in this house plan. First of all, the entrance dimension has been given. So entry has been given from the south side of the plot. Okay, so this is the south facing house. There is a front parking space where you can easily park a two-wheeler or bicycles of your own need. And beside the parking area we have provided a regular type dog leg staircase. The parking area, here you can see the dimension having 9 feet by 9 inch. Okay, and the widthwise dimension is having 10 feet. So you can also park here a small alto car by extending the wall in this zone from 9 feet 9 inch to at least 12 feet. Okay, so as I have made this plan for giving a space of bicycle and a bike, so that's why I have taken a simple 9 feet 9 inch open space for this parking. Okay, remember that this house plan must have the outer walls and the staircase side wall having the thickness of 250 mm thick, that is 10 inch thick brick wall, and remaining all the walls, that is internal walls, having the dimension or thickness of 5 inch wall. Okay, so let's see what are the other parameters I have taken here. The bedroom having the dimension of 13 feet by 8 feet 5 inch. Okay, which is quite spacious. And after that the bedroom is also can be accessible to the toilet, that is common toilet we have placed here from 7 feet by 4 feet 6 inch. Okay, and the drawing room or living room can be accessed and quietly well spaced in 10 feet by 17 feet 6 inch, which is quite spacious. Then after that there is also having a master bedroom. The master bedroom is also quite big, that is 13 feet by 10 feet, which is 130 square feet. As you can see, this master bedroom is attached with a common toilet, that is 5 feet by 7 feet, means 35 square feet of the toilet, which is quite big for this master bedroom, which is attached with a toilet. Outside of this master bedroom and adjacent to the drawing room, there is having a common dining place. This dining place is also big, that is 10 feet by 10 feet. By dividing into a small area, you can here also provide a puja room. The kitchen must have the dimension of 7 feet 6 inch by 7 feet. Approx 50 square feet area has been given for the kitchen. So this is about the simple 2BHK house plan for 2 bedrooms and a hall or drawing room, and as well as dining and kitchen. Now let's see the column placement for this house plan. We have taken here the red mark area, that is 9 inch by 9 inch column has been placed here, which is sufficient for taking the load of ground floor as well as first floor only. Okay, so in this plan I have placed all the red marks here, column placement according to specification. So these columns have been placed here, you can see that. Then after that I have also placed the windows. Here is the windows. Approx 3 feet width of windows have been placed all over the main rooms, that is in dining rooms as well as kitchen as well as master bedroom I have provided here. Okay, and in the bathroom also or toilet also I have placed some of the ventilators. Okay, beside this, all the doors having the standard width has been taken into consideration for easily accessible to this house. Okay, so this is the ground floor plan of the simple 2 BHK house. And coming to the first floor plan, I have placed here. The first floor plan is quite typical to this ground floor plan. Instead of parking to the first floor, I have provided here a good spacious balcony. Remaining all are the same as discussed in the ground floor plan. Okay, so this is the ground floor plan and this is the first floor plan, as you can see here. And this is the front elevation and some sectional elevation I have shown here. Front elevation is quite like this. This is the parking and entrance, and here also two side by side windows, and after that first floor having a balcony side as well as doors. And at the top of the roof there is also having a multi room, and it is covered with parapet walls. Okay, so that's it about the simple 2 BHK house plan. I hope you got a little bit clear idea about how we can arrange this type of simple 2 BHK house plan or within 1,000 square feet area. So please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next one. Thank you all.